how it's shallow now?
Yeah, and every time I stop my video and record another one, I miss it by that split of a second.
We have to let them begin. My butt.
You can't really get in a car and travel the sound because it doesn't last forever. I said getting in a car and driving toward the sound, I don't think you'll ever find it because it's sporadic.
I'd rather be in mysterious sound.
I keep looking at the sky too, just in case I see something.
It's more fun when you think it's...
It is creepy. There it goes. What the fuck is that? Yeah, I got that time. What the hell is that?
I don't know.
That is some creepy shit. I'm posting this on Facebook.